Certainly, here's a summary of the 60 chapters in 5 paragraphs, with 50 lines each. The 1.0 bulldozer, manufactured by Caterpillar, stands as a pinnacle of heavy equipment innovation and reliability. This behemoth of machinery boasts unparalleled power and versatility, making it indispensable in industries spanning construction, mining, forestry, and beyond. With its robust design and advanced engineering, the D10 bulldozer navigates diverse terrain with ease, from soft soils to rugged landscapes, showcasing Caterpillar's commitment to durability and performance. Equipped with cutting-edge technologies such as GPS guidance systems and telematics, the D10 optimizes efficiency and productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Caterpillar's dedication to sustainability is evident throughout the D10's life cycle, from responsible sourcing of materials to end-of-life recycling programs, reflecting the company's commitment to environmental stewardship and corporate responsibility. The economic impact of the D10 bulldozer reverberates across global markets, driving job creation, economic growth, and infrastructure development. Caterpillar's extensive dealer network ensures that the D10 is supported and serviced worldwide, providing customers with access to expert assistance and parts availability. Moreover, the D10's adaptability to diverse climates and terrain conditions makes it a valuable asset for industries operating in challenging environments, from Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests. Caterpillar's focus on operator comfort and safety is evident in the D10's ergonomic design and intuitive controls, reducing operator fatigue and minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries. Furthermore, the company offers comprehensive training programs to equip operators with the skills and knowledge needed to operate the D10 safely and efficiently. Caterpillar's commitment to innovation drives continuous advancements in the D10 bulldozer, from enhanced fuel efficiency and automation features to cutting-edge safety innovations and connectivity solutions. The company's investment in research and development ensures that the D10 remains at the forefront of technology and performance, meeting the evolving needs of customers and industries. With customizable options and accessories, the D10 can be tailored to specific applications and preferences, maximizing productivity and versatility on the job site. Additionally, Caterpillar's warranty and support programs provide customers with peace of mind, ensuring reliable performance and minimizing downtime for the D10 bulldozer. As Caterpillar looks to the future, the D10 bulldozer will continue to evolve and innovate, incorporating new technologies and solutions to address emerging challenges and opportunities. The company's vision for the D10 extends beyond equipment design to encompass sustainability, safety, and social responsibility, driving positive change in the heavy equipment industry and beyond.